students, now we will begin with the last chapter, that is what we have to complete. We have completed all the chapters. Geometric construction is remaining, so this is chapter number 4. We'll begin with construction exercise 4.1. So question number 1 is, triangle ABC is similar to triangle LMN. Given both triangles are similar. In triangle ABC, AB is 5.5, BC is 6 cm, CA or AC you can say is 4.5 cm. Construct triangle ABC and LMN such that BC upon MN equal to 5 upon 4. Now see, for triangle ABC all the information is given. Side AB is given, BC is given and AC is given. You have to construct both the triangles ABC and LMN, and one more information is given, that is ratio of BC upon MN is equal to 5 upon 4. So now what we will do, we have to do the calculation for it, that is see next step is, triangle ABC and triangle LMN are similar. So when both the triangles are similar, we know that the corresponding sides will be in proportion. So see, AB upon LM is equal to BC upon MN is equal to AC upon LM, and the ratio is given 5 upon 4. So I will substitute the values now. See, AB is 5.5 upon LM we will find out, equal to BC is 6 cm upon MN I will find out, and AC is 4.5 upon LM I will find out, and the ratio is 5 upon 4. So now what we will do, we will take first, see, 5.5 upon LM, we will find out LM will be equal to the given ratio, that is 5 upon 4. So I will cross multiply this. 5.5 multiplied by 4 upon 5 will give me 4.4 centimeter. 5.5 divided by 5 will be 1.1. So 1.1 multiplied by 4 will be 4.4 centimeter. So LM is 4.4 centimeter. Now we will find out the other part, that is 6 upon MN. We will find out MN and we will take is equal to, that is the ratio 5 upon 4. So MN will be cross multiply, 6 into 4 upon 5. 6 4s are 24 upon 5 will be 4.8 centimeter, and finally 4.5 upon LM, 4.5 upon LN will come, students. It is LN, not LM, it is LN is equal to 5 upon 4. So LN will be 4.5 into 4 upon 5 will give me 3.6 centimeter. Now ABC dimension was given, all the sides were given. We found out all the sides for triangle LMN, and now we will construct both the triangles, that is triangle ABC and triangle LMN. Now students, as per the solution, we will start with the construction. Now first triangle is triangle ABC. Information everything is given. You can see for triangle ABC, AB was given, BC was given and CA or AC was given. So first we will construct the given triangle. See, for that we have to do the first rough construction. So I have taken BC as a base, which is 6 cm, AB 5.5 and AC is 4.5. So first I will start with the base, that is you can see here BC is 6 cm. So properly I will keep the scale and start from 0. This is 6 cm. Now students, I am using pen, but for construction you have to strictly use only pencil. Pencil is allowed in the construction, pen is not allowed. I am using pen so that it will be visible to you, so I am using it, otherwise you have to use only pencil. So this is now BC, which is 6 cm. Next is, I will draw AB, which is 5.5. So see, on a compass I will take 5.5, see, 5.5. So I will keep it at B and draw an arc, which is 5.5, and finally you can see here AC, which is 4.5. So I will take AC as 4.5. This is 4.5, and then I will intersect this arc, and then I will finally join this. AC and AB. And I will write here, this is 4.5 centimeter, this is 5.5 centimeter. This was the given information. Now by using some calculations we did, as both the triangles were given similar, so we use CSST and we got the dimensions for triangle LMN. So by using CSST, that is corresponding sides are in proportion, as both the similar triangles were similar, so I got the dimensions for triangle LMN also, which is LM is 4.4, MN is 4.8 centimeter and LN is 3.6 centimeter. See, as per the dimensions I have drawn the rough diagram. Now I will go for the fair construction. You can see, first I will draw the base, which is MN, that is 4.8 centimeter. So see, I will take this as 4.8 centimeter. Now taking, be very careful, you should take 4.8. Then I will take LM, which is 4.4 centimeter. So this is 4.4 centimeter. I will draw an arc. This is my MN, which is 4.8. Now I will take LN, which is 3.6. So this is 3.6 centimeter. And I will intersect or cut this arc. This is my L. So now I will join LM and LN, and I will write the dimension. This is 4.4 centimeter, this is 3.6 centimeter. Now both the triangles are constructed, both the fair diagrams are done, so I will write the final statement, which is very important. Therefore, triangle ABC and triangle LMN are the required triangle. Now students, once again I would like to tell you that construction has to be done only with pencil, but as this is an offline video, maybe with pencil it may not be visible, so I am using pen for it. Question number 3. See, triangle RST is similar to triangle XYZ. Now information for triangle RST is given. RS is 4.5 centimeter and see, angle S is given 40 degree and side ST is 5.7, means two sides and included angle is given. Construct triangle RST and XYZ both such that ratio of RS upon XY is equal to 3/5. So first I will write, see, for solution, triangle RST is similar to triangle XYZ, which is given. So first we will take, as the triangles are similar, so corresponding sides will be in proportion. So see, as two sides are given, I will take RS upon XY. RS upon XY is equal to ST upon YZ, and the ratio is given 3:5. These are corresponding sides of similar triangle. So I will substitute the value. Therefore, RS is 4.5 upon XY, we have to find out, is equal to ST is 5.7, YZ we have to find out, and the ratio is constant, it is 3/5. So first I will take, so 4.5 upon XY is equal to 3/5. Therefore XY will be equal to 4.5 into 5 divided by 3. So will give me, that is 7.5 centimeter. 4.5 divided by 3 will be 1.5, and 1.5 into 5 will be 7.5, and 5.7 upon YZ is equal to 3/5. Therefore YZ will be 5.7 into 5/3 will be equal to 9.5 centimeter. Two sides I got, and one angle is given. See, angle RST, which is given 50 degree. So angle RST will be equal to angle XYZ, will be equal to 50 degree. The reason will be corresponding angles of similar triangle. So I got all the dimensions. Now I will construct the required triangle. So first I will draw triangle RST. The rough diagram is ready. ST will be the base. So see, I will take ST which is given 5.7. So I will draw 5.7 for this. Now angle S which is given 50 degree. So I will take protector and take 50 degree. Sorry, it is given 40 degree, not 50, it is given 40 degree. And then I will draw a big ray from here. And RS which is given 4.5. So I will take here 4.5. And then I will cut an arc here which is R, and then I will join this. So RST, ST is 5.7 centimeter, angle S 40 degree, this is 4.5 centimeter. So RST is done. Now I will go for triangle XYZ. Again see, I will draw the rough diagram. YZ is 9.5. We have did the calculation for triangle XYZ. So I will take this as 9.5. Again I have to take protector. Which is 40 degree. Corresponding angles of similar triangles. So I will take this also 40 degree. And then same step. I will draw a big ray from here. This is my YZ which is 9.5 centimeter. Angle Y 40 degree. Now XY is 7.5. So I will take 7.5. I will take 7.5 and then I will cut an arc here. This is my X, and then I will join this, which is this is 7.5 centimeter, and then I will write the final statement. Therefore triangle, so triangle RST and triangle XYZ are the required triangle. Now I am taking question number 4, students. Triangle AMT is similar to triangle AHE. Both triangles are similar. Now in triangle AMT, length of AM is 6.3 centimeter and angle TAM means angle A. Angle A is given 50 degree and AT is given 5.6 centimeter, and the ratio of AM upon AH means AM is to AH is 7:5. Now students, you can see previous construction whatever we have done, the triangle was like that. Triangle ABC similar to triangle LMN. Both triangles were different. Now here you can see for both the triangle we have one common vertex, that is A and A. For both the triangle the vertex is common. So here students, now you do not draw two different separate triangles as vertex A is common. So we'll draw combined triangle. See, first I will take AM which is 6.3. So see, we'll draw AM as 6.3 centimeters. So this is AM which is 6.3. Now angle A is given 50 degree. So now I will make use of protector. See, I will keep this reference line point on vertex A, and as 50 degree is an acute angle, so I will take angle A as 50 degree and I will draw a big ray. So this is 50 degree and AT is given 5.6 centimeter. So now I will take 5.6 on compass. .6 centimeter, and I will cut an arc here. This is T, and then now I'll join TM, and I will write this as 5.6 centimeter. Now see what is given. The ratio of AM is to AH is 7/5. You have to construct triangle AHE. The given question is construct triangle AHE. Now how to construct AHE? See, we will make use now from angle A. Again I will draw an angle here. You can take 50 degree also, you can take 35 also. So I'll keep it here. Again I will take acute angle. So I can take it as 50, I can take it 35, whatever I want. So again I will take it as 50 only, as both triangles are given similar. And see what I will do. I will draw an arc. Sorry, I draw an ray. And now see what I will do. As the ratio is given, AM upon AH is 7/5. So from vertex A, I will take convenient span and I will cut 7 arc, as it's 7 given. See, 1. For drawing second, I will keep on the first arc. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and I will name this as, this is A, so this will be A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6 and A7. And now what I will do, A7 I will join with M. I will join A7 to M. Now see, here I will construct triangle AHE. Inside this, a triangle will come AHE. But how to draw? See now, the ratio is given, AM upon AH is 7/5. So this AM is now 5. So what I will do, AM upon AH is 5. So see what I will do, from 5 I will draw a line. But how to draw? Now we have to draw congruent angles. So now see carefully what I will do. I will keep my compass at A7 and then I will cut an arc. I will take convenient span and I will cut arc somewhere between 5 and 6. So see, I have kept it at point A7 and I will draw the arc with convenient span. Now same span, you should not move the span. Same span I will keep it at A5, as the ratio of AH is given 5. So same span I will keep it 5, and now I will draw the same arc with the same span. Okay, from 7 I have taken the convenient span and drawn one arc. Same span I will keep at 5 and I will cut one more arc. Now see what I will do. This line where the arc intersect, I will keep it here, and see I will try to draw an angle here, which is known as drawing an equal angle, congruent angle. So see here, like this, right? It's matching now. Here you can see this tip of the pen. See, same span I will keep it here, same span I'll keep it here and cut an arc here. Now what I will do, from 5 and passing through the center, I will draw an arc. You can see here like this. Will draw and show you like this. See? The line has become blur, so please keep it properly. So this will be H. This point will be H. See that the line should be single line. Now students, what we will do, again here we will draw congruent angle. So see, I'll keep this at M and I will take a convenient span and then I will draw an arc. See, same span I will keep it at H, same span I will keep it at H, and I will draw an congruent angle. Now you can see here, same span I will keep it here. I will intersect this arc. And now what I will do, students, see, now from here I will draw a straight line which will be exactly passing from this. You can see from the center, and this is AHE. So AHE is the required triangle. I will write the final statement. AHE is the required triangle. Now students, we will take one sum of tangent of 4.2. Question number 1 is construct a tangent to the circle. We have to construct a tangent to the circle with center P. The center for circle is P and the radius is given 3.2 centimeter at any point M on it. So see, first I will draw the rough diagram. See, I have drawn a circle with center P. This was the radius which is given, and this is the tangent. So how to construct the fair diagram? See, first it is given that radius is 3.2 centimeter. So I will take 3.2 centimeter. This is 3.2. I will take radius that is from center P. So I will draw a circle. Radius is given 3.2 centimeters. This is the radius, 3.2. Now I will draw a big line or a ray from the center because I want to draw the tangent now. See, this is a line and this is the radius which is 3.2 centimeter. Now how to draw a tangent? See, I'll tell you. Take a compass, open a convenient span as per your convenience and cut two arcs, one over here and one this side, keeping it here. And now I'll bisect this, means taking more than half. I will cut two arcs, one above the circle and one below the circle, and I will keep it here and intersect this. And see, now I'll try to pass a line from center of both the arcs. You can see here, and now I'll pass a straight line. So see, passing from both the arcs. So line is, I will name it this as line L. Line L is tangent to the circle at point M, and I have write the statement for that. In this way we have drawn the tangent.